On March 31, Officer Romero from the Pueblo Police Department in Colorado approached Sean O'Connell, a First Amendment activist, while he was standing on a public sidewalk taking photos outside the police department. Just moments after the encounter began, Romero placed O'Connell in handcuffs. The entire incident was recorded on the officer's body camera.
Are you recording?
Hey there. How are you? Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. I'm asking you a question. Who are you? Why are you taking pictures of the department? Sir.
Don't touch me.
Okay, I'm going to
Don't
put you in
touch me.
cuffs. Okay?
That's fine.
You're going to be put in
You get a
cuffs.
supervisor.
Okay, supervisor's on his way. Okay? I'm asking you questions
Hey
here.
guys, I'm being arrested right now, being put in cuffs for taking pictures of the police department. Don't turn my phone off.
Okay, you are not in control here.
I am, actually. You work for me, I don't work for you.
46, I got one in custody over here. I need a
You're
supervisor.
gonna lose your job, buddy. It's illegal detainment. Can you please call a supervisor out here? This is an illegal detainment under 16.3.103.
Okay. Hang out here.
You don't have permission to search me. I don't consent to any search procedures.
Okay, I'm waiting for a supervisor to come up here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Romero,
Romero?
0702.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good. Did you stop my video camera over there?
I'm not messing with your phone, okay?
Can you tell this officer to take his hands off me and to uncuff me?
No, I don't want to tell him anything.
Okay.
You'll wait till a supervisor gets here, and you can talk to him from there, okay?
All right, I'm done talking to you guys then.
Okay.
So what's up?
He's taking pictures of the department, taking pictures of all our stuff here, so I don't know what he's doing. Try to talk to him. He's not talking to me. He starts walking away.
Is that a reason to cuff me?
Yeah,
that
you're
reasonable
being
articulable
detained right
suspicion?
now. Yeah.
For what? For what crime?
Yeah. No, it's reasonable suspicion.
Of what crime?
Okay.
You have to have reasonable suspicion of a crime to detain somebody.
I am not going to speak to you.
That's
you can
fine.
speak to my supervisor when he gets here.
You have me in cuffs right now.
Okay, yeah. You're
So I'm
being
gonna
detained
talk-
at the moment. Yeah.
Because you're an ignorant asshole. That's why.
Okay.
What you just saw goes far beyond a simple police stop. The situation quickly turned into a serious violation of constitutional rights from the very beginning. In Colorado, which falls under the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, recording and taking photos in public places is already recognized as a protected right. Any reasonable officer should know that a person standing on a public sidewalk with a camera is not automatically committing a crime. The moment Officer Romero placed O'Connell in handcuffs, the encounter escalated from a basic interaction to a major physical detention. Police cannot legally use that level of force without clear facts showing a real safety threat or possible criminal activity. Under the Supreme Court case Terry v. Ohio, officers must have reasonable suspicion that someone is involved in a crime before stopping or restraining them. In this case, there were no clear signs of criminal behavior. The only things present were a camera, a public sidewalk, and an assumption that led to the detention.
You're wearing you're a corporal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't want to answer your questions.
We're not asking you questions.
What? You didn't ask me any questions? You asked me what I was doing, what I was doing, what I was doing. I chose not to answer you, which I have a right to do. Do I not? I do. Thank you. I hope this doesn't take longer than 20 minutes. Because then it turns into an arrest and statement. Hey guys, if I'm still live streaming, call the Pueblo Police Department. Let them know officers Romero and Waring, something like that, are both detaining me illegally outside the Pueblo Department. I don't even know what street this is.
O'Connell correctly pointed out the law officer Romero was required to follow. Under Colorado Revised Statute 16.3.103, an officer can only stop someone when there is reasonable suspicion that a crime has happened, is happening, or is about to happen. In this situation, there was no clear evidence that any crime had taken place. The situation became even more serious when Romero placed O'Connell in handcuffs after he chose not to answer questions. Courts have repeatedly ruled that officers cannot punish or restrain someone simply for using their constitutional rights. A person has the right to remain silent and the right to avoid speaking during a voluntary police encounter. Those protections exist under the Constitution, and exercising them is not a crime. O'Connell stayed calm throughout the encounter. He referenced the law, asked for a supervisor, and then stopped talking. He did not become aggressive or make the situation worse. By remaining controlled and careful with his words, he protected his legal rights and avoided giving the officer any reason to escalate the situation further.
It's always on. So I'm loading up. I'm loading up. This guy's on the corner. I thought he was taking a picture of the eagle on the department. He's like, oh, okay, no big deal. So I started, putting myself in my patrol vehicle. So he walks past it, and I was like, oh, he's leaving. Can you answer?
Can't talk right now, I'm busy.
So he starts walking, so I back up, and then he's next to this corner now taking pictures. I'm like, what is he doing? So then he comes over, he starts taking pictures. Oh, it looks like he's taking pictures of these signs. I don't know if he's taking pictures of these cars or what.
Part of an organization called the First Amendment Strike Team.
Is he?
Yeah,
okay.
So he's trying to see what we're going to do.
Okay.
He has every right to do that.
Okay, and that's fine with that.
Yeah.
I don't have an
Uncuff
issue.
him.
Uncuff him.
Uncuff him.
I did nothing wrong. I was not breaking the law, and this officer just illegally detained me under CRS 16-103.
At that moment, Romero's own explanation revealed the entire basis for the detention. He claimed O'Connell might have been taking pictures of police vehicles or the eagle displayed on the outside of the building. That was the only reason he provided. But under the Supreme Court ruling in Terry v. Ohio, officers must rely on clear, specific facts that suggest criminal activity. A personal assumption or suspicion is not enough. Simply photographing public property, vehicles, or decorations on a government building is not illegal and does not automatically create suspicion of a crime. What Romero described was not evidence of criminal behavior. It was only a guess. Courts have repeatedly made it clear that guesses or feelings alone cannot justify detaining someone or placing them in handcuffs. The 10th Circuit Court has also recognized that taking photos in public by itself is not grounds for reasonable suspicion. Romero did not have a lawful reason when he first approached O'Connell, and nothing during the encounter changed that. His own statements confirmed that no valid legal standard had been met at any point.
Okay. I know exactly who you are.
Exactly. So you know I'm not out here doing anything illegal.
I do.
No, nothing.
I do.
And I'd like to file a complaint against this officer for deprivation of rights.
You can actually go into the department. Okay. File the complaint if you'd like to. Should have caught you before. But I understand totally what you're doing.
So will you be suspended administratively until the thing is cleared out?
No.
He just broke the law.
I understand
He
that.
should be arrested.
So an internal affairs investigation, if you want to file a complaint, will be conducted, and depending on the findings of that, it'll be dealt with depending on what.
Okay. So is there going to be any issue with me getting his body here?
That you would have to go through our records division.
Yep.
I'm not sure how that works.
Hey guys, call Pueblo Police Department and complain about Officer Romero, badge number 0707. He just detained me and said that he was detaining me because I chose not to answer his questions.
I'm not really sure on how that works. I have to look at the policy on that. I believe that there's a charge. Here's Sergeant Reyes. He's the supervisor on the watch commander. And he might know. I'm not sure how that works. Actually, I can make a phone call and find out.
I think I'd appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're good. I'm gonna go home now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go home.
I guess Captain Martin needs to speak to you. So I don't know if they even need me here anymore, so.
Is there a charge? Okay. Do you know what the charge is? Okay, I'll find out. Okay. Yeah, he's asking for you. It's that guy.
How are you, sir?
Could be doing better. I actually like this officer charge.
What plays 4K on your camera? What plays 4K? I know like the TVs do, but how do you edit 4K?
Computers do also, and all the software editing stuff is all 4K compatible. So even if your computer isn't picking up a lot of your shit, I can go inside stuff.
Let me call records real quick. There, you have to submit a Freedom of Information Act for the body cam video. There's a charge. I'm not sure what the charge is, but I'm gonna find out.
I'm sure records can probably tell me.
Yeah, I'm gonna call just so you know now.
Thank you, man. I appreciate all your help.
What was your name, sir?
I'm not going to get that.
Okay.
Thank you. Car 630. Records is going to be a plate.
They need me here, or should I leave?
Just hang on.
Huh?
Just hang on.